So I hope you completed the last assignment we gave to you and completed level 1. So I hope it was easy for you, and if you have any doubts, we are always here. You can reach out to us at any time. So what we're going to do today is that we're going to teach you how to create your own online Scratch account. So this will be very helpful for you in the future, where you can download codes from online and you can practice also, and it will allow you to upload your codes to Scratch as well. Okay, so it's a very simple process, and I'm going to teach. If you have a mail ID, you can use your mail ID, or else if you have a parent's mail ID with you, you can use your parents' mail ID. Okay, so first thing you have to do is you have to go to
Scratch.
Go to Google first of all. Make sure you go to Google and scratch.mit.edu. Okay, simple. And after that, go to Join Scratch.
You can see Join Scratch here. So after going to Join Scratch, you have to create your own username.
Okay.
So we are going to create a username called Science-Tonic.
It will already log you in inside the program, or else if you want, you can go to the top side. It will say login, and you can log in as well. Okay. So today, what we are going to do, Karnik?
So now we are going to post the project that we did. So I'm going to go to my stuff. So currently, I didn't post any project. So I'm going to make a new project. So now this is the one you'll be seeing in the online one. You can see here the file and your account name.
So this is an online editor of the same version that we have. What we're going to do is we're going to do the same stuff. We're going to upload the files. Okay.
So I'm going to go to File, Load from your computer. So now I'm going to choose code 1, which we are currently doing. Yes. So now our program is here. So after that, we are going to change the name. We are going to give it as
COVID-19. So it's a mouthful. COVID-19. Just make it as COVID-19.
We'll make it Survivor for now, sir. COVID-19 Survivor. So
Okay.
after that, you can go and see your projects outside.
Okay, if you just click that, how to say, squiggy thingy, means it will go out and it will see. You can just name out instruct as what we do, notes and credentials. You can fill it out. Okay, we don't need to do as of now, I guess. Okay, so you can just fill it out, and that's all, I guess, right?
Yes.
Okay, the file is now uploaded. So if you want to see where your file is, all you have to do is you have to go to the main menu and go to My Stuffs. Okay, so this here you can see COVID-19 Survivor, and you just go see inside. If you just click see inside, it will go directly into the project. It will show you what is there, codes, everything. Okay, this is the final outcome. And what happens is that after sometimes the game or the program you have posted, it will be also available for other people to see, visualize as well. So like that, we can also go ahead and visualize. See, we can play here itself. We just click the flag. We can go ahead and play the game from here itself. Nice, right? So likewise, we can even see other people who what they're doing, and their games also we can download and we can see as well, right? So probably in the next video, what we're going to do is...
Before that, you might have noticed that even after posting it, you might not see the video sometimes. You can't see our video because our video is now unshared. We didn't share our video now. So we have to go and share our video that everyone can see it.
So until now we have taught you how you can upload the project you have done through online, right? So probably in the next video we're going to teach you how to make it shareable so that other people can also view your games. And in the next video also, two things we're going to do. First thing is that we're going to go to level 2. Okay, and probably we'll finish up that one, and after that what we're going to do is we're going to show you how you can download games which is already available on the online and open up the codes and see how you can create it by yourself. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and probably we'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.
Bye.